guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. Today I'm going to be showing you DIY hacks to turn your clothes into totally fun and trendy clothes without spending any extra coin, without sewing. So for the first DIY, all I'm doing is I'm taking a tank top I already own and I cut off about 4 inches from the bottom, and now I'm just cutting open that bit that I cut off along the seam. And once I do that, I'm just taking the ends, placing them together and making sort of a cute V shape just to look cute. So my inspiration for this top was this top right here. I saw this and I was like, hey, you can literally make this in minutes and not spend so much money. How to wear the top: just take this strip of fabric, tie it in the middle of the top, tie a knot, tie a bow, tie anything you wish. It's your shirt, your rules. You do you, boo. And this is a shirt on. Look at how cute this looks. I just did a simple knot, had the sides hanging. It looked cute. I love this top. Love it so much. For the next DIY, we're just transforming a regular t-shirt into a crop top. You don't have to spend money on expensive crop tops. Just cut up your shirts in your bedroom and no one will know. So I'm just using a crop top I have from H&M just to know where I'm going to cut the length of my shirt. And once you cut it off, that's it. Make sure you stretch out the bottom, that way you don't have raw edges at the bottom of your shirt. Look at that. It just looks so cute. It looks so beautiful. I love this hack. I have turned most of my t-shirts into crop tops. I'm not even going to lie. And now for the final DIY, I'm just taking this very fitting shirt, and initially I cut sort of a U shape and then I realized this wasn't working out. So I just did a square kind of cut, like a straight cut, so that I had a square kind of bit remaining. And once I did that, I cut off some fabric just for the straps. I was cutting about 4 inches by some short length, but I went again and I did longer straps, as you'll see in the next shot. I didn't show that because my camera died on me, but just do longer straps and make them as wide as you wish. I just glued them on using E6000 glue, tie the top, and you have this cute self-tie crop top with literally no money spent. Look at how cute this is. Honestly, I am living for this floral print. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.